particularly by the Rio Grande Union International Excellence. That's right. One of our beneficiaries this morning. We also want to give a prayer for the Football Foundation of Jamaica. And of course, you know, all the folks all over the Hero Games this morning. We're going to be celebrating the life of our friend for sure. And also the Diabetes Association of Jamaica with aiming to raise $52 million with HHGs this year. Are we going to do it, people? We are doing it. We also want you to know that we're going to be using from the 2019 companies that are here with us in each and every corporate company. We're here this morning. 118 non-corporate groups are also here and our amazing sponsors are also here to participate. Big ups to each and every one of you. Now, I want to ask a simple question. Does everyone have the also, one thing you know, there's a lot of located at the Park Boulevard.